Dear friend, be victorious. Jai Sri Ram. The human's body is the only strong means of transcending, transforming, sealed nature in the entire universe. Friend, this is the divine research in transcendental state of mind. It reveals that union and separation, pleasurable and painful experiences, friends, foes, and neutral. All these are snares of delusion. As soon as I realize this, the intellectual power renounce all these as a blade of leaf from the conscience. Now, the wisdom is clearly liberated from unconscious matter and round of the creation. This is the final stage of beatitude, and this can be achieved only by selflessness motive and activity according to command of the Vedas without affection and hatred. Becoming indifferent to the powers ignited by ignorance, your friend rises above the three qualities of selfishness, attachment, and infatuation. The spiritual activity is necessary for all the individuals who want to realize the self form as a supreme eternal, that is, soul. This friend has all the weapons and methods of Karma Yoga and Jnana Yoga. It's up to you for self realization, determination of self realization. For that, you are absolutely free to have a self determined mind. The real victory of an individual soul is devotion to Sri Shivji. It means Sri Shivji is enshrined in the heart of every individual. Considering this fact, one can selflessly devote his life for loyal servantship of Sri Shivji, through which you will be able to know that the real form of yours is supreme eternal, that is soul, not this mortal body. This is the self realization. Whatever karmas performed by this body, all are dedicated towards lotus feet of Sri Shivji. And this final beatitude of life is indescribable and unconceivable for any individual without your own experience. Now, there is no relation with the name, form, and kul, that is Brahmin lines of Sri Shivji, Sri Shiv Bali Pandey ji. So, this is the liberated form and stable on Sri Ram Adhar Shanti Kendra, Babu Ram Jiawan Singh ji, Babu Devraj Singh ji, Babu Ram Raj Singh ji, Babu Ram Khilawal Singh ji. There are so many people getting the experience of this infinite state of the mind. So, for realization of self, every individual is absolutely free, and the methods, weapons, and way through which one can find it are absolutely free from this sight. The self-determination is only way through which one can cross the ocean of mutation. Thank you very much for your time and have a selfless motive. And this activity start with complete surrender towards your Father with thought, word, and deed. And in this universe, such a friend is really very rare, while every individual could be the loyal for his parents. It's completely free for all. If you want to be loyal for your father, no one can prevent it. But the sects, whatever propagated in this universe since last 6,000 of years, the constitution of the words, all are based on skin, flesh, and blood. That will not ignite you or inspire you for self-realization. So, whatever hindrance is there, leaving behind all, you could be a self-devotee of Sri Shivji by self-surrender towards the command of your father. This is self-realization of your friend, and with God's grace, all those things are coming out for only ultimate welfare of yours. I don't have any relation with selfishness, attachment, or infatuation with anybody in this universe. Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram.